Welcome back, fifth grade instrumentalists. Today we're going to be talking about how to take care of your trombone. So hopefully you've been holding it, putting it together, buzzing, doing all of your first three notes, and you're off to a great start. Now we got to make sure that we give you enough information about how to take care of your instrument so that it can be working for a really long time. So when you're, usually you would do these things at least once a week, okay? And when it comes to another thing, you're going to be doing it pretty often, and I'll get into all of that. So the first thing I want to talk about is emptying your spit, something that sounds a little gross, but it's something that's really important. You're going to be playing from time to time, and you're going to hear a gurgling noise, like a kind of sound coming out of your trombone. It's nothing you're doing wrong. You've just built up a lot of condensation in your instrument, and you have to release that condensation. It's really easy to do this. Right at the bottom of your slide, you've got a spit valve, okay? Really easy, like I said. All you're going to do is push that spit valve, and then, if you can, blow into the trombone. If your arm isn't long enough, what I recommend is taking out the mouthpiece. I already did that. And blowing in just like that. Make sure you do this in a safe space. If you're in school, ask your teacher where to do it. If you're at home, ask your parent where to do it. It might be in the garbage. It might be outside. Wherever is the best place for you. At home is the best place to do it. All right? So do that anytime you hear that gurgling noise. The other thing, like I just mentioned, is taking care of your slide. As trombone players, our most important thing is our slide. Okay? You need to be taking care of your slide about once every week as long as you're practicing. The first thing you should do is you should grab a tissue or some toilet paper, something really, really soft, okay? I don't want you using a towel or something that's very abrasive like a sponge, okay? I want you to use something that's super, super soft like a toilet paper or a tissue. I even think a napkin or a paper towel would not be great. Then what you're going to do is you're going to lift your slide up. Whoa, be careful to avoid doing what I just did. Don't take your slide all the way out, but just try to get it all the way up as far as you can. Then take your tissue or paper towel, not paper towel, tissue or toilet paper, and just gently wipe. I'm not really even applying any pressure whatsoever. Just enough to kind of go along the basis of the slides. Okay, you'll see it might be, if you haven't cleaned it in a while, some interesting things might come off. Then you're going to take your slide oil that came with your instrument, and you're going to put one drop on each of the inner slides on one side, and then just for good measure, do the same thing on the opposite side. Once you've done that, pick up your trombone. Feel free to kind of move that slide oil all around, get it really lubed up. If you don't do this on a regular basis, your slide's going to get stuck and really bad, and it's going to sound crunchy. It might even hurt your ears. I know it hurts my ears. It might hurt your ears too. So if for whatever reason you forget to oil your slide on a regular basis and you get to that point, don't worry, it happens sometimes. Talk to your band teacher and they'll be happy to help you get back to good slide smoothness. All right, so that is how you take proper care of your trombone. Have a great day.